Hello, this is Chris from Cali Raised LED, and today we're going to be installing our LED pod accessory mounts. These fit on all Toyota Tacoma and Toyota Tundra accessory rail systems. The first step of our installation process is to inventory the contents of our package. You are going to have 2 LED pod mounts, 4 bed rail nuts, 4 washers, and 4 bolts. The only tool you will need for this installation is a 7/32 Allen wrench or socket and ratchet. Now we're ready to begin our installation. The first step is to remove the bed rail cap. We're going to install our 2 bed rail nuts. After our nuts in place, we're going to take our bolt and put our washer on it. You will need 2 bolts per bracket. Once your bolts are ready, we're going to line them up and install the bolt. Leaving the bolts hand tight, we can now adjust our bed rail pod mount to any location we desire. It can be on the back of the truck or the front of the truck. Once it's in location, you can go ahead and tighten down your bolts and reinstall your end cap. Now that we've completed the install of one of our brackets, we can go ahead and repeat the process on the other side of the truck bed or in the other desired position. After that, you can install your pods or other accessories that you desire, and that will complete your installation. Please visit CaliRaisedLED.com to complete your purchase.